Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology, established in 2008, is an offshoot of Ushodaya Educational Society, founded in 2007. The institution is growing from strength to strength since its inception, drawing a huge number of engineering aspirants with each passing year. We aim to bring about comprehensive development of our students' personality, keeping pace with our mission of imparting quality technical education. We are happy to state that the institution has scored many outstanding achievements in regard to admissions, academics and placements over the years. NAC A grade acquisition is a recent value addition. We are reaching out to the rural students, bringing engineering education to their doorsteps with objectives of transforming them into global leaders. We are focusing on emerging technologies beyond the regular curriculum to meet the industry demand. We are inculcating practical and holistic approach in teaching and lending methodologies to improve quality. Through the implementation of institute-industry interface initiatives, the institution promotes and enhances the employability skills of the students to make them competent in the competitive global village. Geetanjali accomplishes its vision and mission by grooming professionally dynamic, environmentally conscious and socially responsible engineering professionals.
My academic potential is elevated.
Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology, established in 2008, approved by AICTE and permanently affiliated to JNT University, Anantapur, under the aegis of Ushodaya Educational Society. The principal objective of Geetanjali is to impart quality technical education to the students who have a passion and flair for engineering education, to establish high standards of academic excellence and focus on the multifaceted development of students' personality by offering qualitative, intellectually stimulating and academically invigorating educational experience, to roll out industry-ready engineering professionals with a right mix of professional expertise, technical capabilities, progressive vision and values. The institution, located on Nellore-Bombay Highway, 7 kilometers from Nellore, with a lush green and picturesque landscape of and a total built-up area of over 2 lakh square feet in a serene rural environment. The institution currently offers 6 UG programs in BTech, 5 polytechnic diploma programs with an overall annual intake of 710 students with a maximum student strength of about 3,000 in all years. The institution is adorned with over 130 well-qualified, experienced and highly dedicated faculty members, including 27 doctorates and 22 PhD aspirants pursuing doctorates and over 150 non-teaching and support staff members. The institution is accredited by NAAC with A grade. Proposals are submitted for NBA accreditation during December 2019 and autonomous status during April 2021, pending evaluation team visits in a couple of months for accreditation and grant of autonomy. Recognized by UGC under Section 2F and 12B 13 Acres Act 1956. Remote Center of IIT Mumbai under NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India with a funding support of ₹20 lakhs. Established CM Skill Excellence Center in collaboration with Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation, Government of Andhra Pradesh with a grant of ₹14 lakhs. Permanently affiliated to JNT University, Anantapur. Our institution is one among the 5 spot valuation centers identified by JNTU Anantapur, spread across over 5 districts. Authorized TCS Ion Online Examination Center. Our institution is ISO 9001:2015 certified. Established E-Yantra Robotics Laboratory in association with IIT Bombay. The institutional member of ISTE. Professional student chapters functioning ISTE, CSI, IEEE, IETE, IE. 130 qualified and experienced teaching faculty, 27 PhD degree holders and 22 faculty pursuing PhD at various universities. MOUs and tie-ups with nearly 20 reputed industrial and research organizations. Training and placement cell for imparting continuous training and offering corporate job opportunities to the students. Industry institution interaction cell to create linkage between academia and industry. Innovation and incubation cell to improve the creativity and entrepreneurial skills. AP State Government Pratibha Awards for meritorious students, JNT University Gold Medal winners, ICT-enabled teaching learning environment with campus Wi-Fi facilities, implementation of free and open source software with Linux-based environment, innovative club, technical clubs and entrepreneurship development cell. Outcome-based education is strictly implemented in the institution by the active involvement of all the stakeholders like alumni, employers, parents, students, teachers and management to attain the vision of the institution. The institution follows JNTUA prescribed curriculum for the teaching methodologies and strategies are aligned with ICT-enabled teaching learning process. The comprehensive student monitoring system encourages the students in innovative thinking and enhances problem-solving capabilities and research orientation among learners. The institution lays equal emphasis on curricular and extracurricular activities to ensure the all-round development of the students. Industrial visits, field visits, internships, in-plant training, workshops, training programs, extracurricular and co-curricular activities, certification courses, value-added courses, orientation program, bridge courses, societal activities, tutorials, skill development programs, student association activities, seminars, guest lectures and technical symposiums are regularly planned. Coding competitions, hackathons, ideathons, spoken tutorials are unique initiatives of our institution. The online teaching, blended and flipped methods in teaching methodologies are followed. Awareness on issues related to gender equality, climate change, environmental science, human rights and ICT are imparted through various initiatives and programs. Faculty members are encouraged to pursue doctoral programs, actively conduct publications and research, bring out publications to ensure excellence in teaching quality. Faculty members are constantly motivated to organize seminars, workshops, engage in research besides consultancy and publications. Faculty development programs for teachers, NPTEL certifications, development of e-content, provision of ICT environment, provision of physical and virtual facilities, conducting FDPs, STTPs, webinars, international national conferences, student symposiums, workshops in emerging technologies, sports and games, yoga and meditation, university team select cricket, volleyball, kabaddi, and our students have captained university teams in all India inter-university tournaments. The institution is equipped with 36 spacious, well-furnished and ICT-enabled classrooms, 40 laboratories, workshops, tutorial halls, seminar halls, drawing halls, waiting halls, and a sprawling auditorium with 500 seating capacity. All the laboratories are equipped with cutting-edge technologies, machinery, equipments, and devices, computing facilities, internet, project laboratories, and language laboratories. Well-stacked central library having 35,000 volumes and 15,000 titles of books, e-journals, e-books, and e-resources through JNTUA Consortium, Delnet, NDL, etc. We have a separate hostel facility for boys and girls inside the campus. Hygiene and safe drinking RO water facilities also available. 150 kWp grid-connected rooftop solar photovoltaic systems are established, and LED lighting, green initiatives for carbon neutrality and energy conservation is implemented throughout the campus. Implemented safety norms by installing over 150 CCTV cameras, round-the-clock security, ambulance facility, and thickly fenced compound. Established fire safety and food safety norms in the campus as per the government requirements. Public transport facilities with a fleet of 25 buses provided for students and staff from Nellore, Podalakur, Atmakur, Maipadu, and all the surrounding villages. Student mentoring system to support, guide, and motivate students into complete professionals with human values and social responsibilities. Career guidance for student progression. Scholarships for deserving students on merit-cum-means basis are being given. Organizing societal activities through NSS, community programs, health awareness, social values, and medical camps, thereby promoting human values, national integration, and communal harmony. Group insurance for staff and students provided. The institution conducts remedial classes, bridge courses, communication skills development, pre-placement talks, group discussions, apart from many team activities to instill confidence and competitive spirit among the students. The institute regularly arranges industrial experts and student interaction, keeping pace with the rapidly emerging technologies. The institution has set up numerous cells and committees to address various issues pertaining to the academics, effective management, and administrative aspects of the institution to ensure smooth and successful running of the institution in perfect coordination with all the cells and committees. These cells and committees contribute to the effective administration and to the implementation of vigorous management practices adapted in the institution. Women Empowerment Cell, NSS Cell, Social Welfare, Student Association Coordination Cell, R&D Cell enable the administration to run the institution, keeping in view various student-related and society-related issues. The institution has a strong belief in the maxim, a strong mind in strong body, and continuously encourages the students to take part in sports and games to develop a sharp mind in a healthy body. The institution has spacious cricket ground, badminton, volleyball, basketball, kabaddi, and other courts, and a separate playgrounds for girl students. The students routinely take part in district level, university level, and state level tournaments in different sports disciplines and win champions. Gym and indoor stadium have been recently added to ensure robust health and physical fitness of the students. Regular yoga and meditation sessions are conducted by experts for the benefit of students to improve memory, concentration, and other mental qualities.
హృదయాకాశే చిదాదిత్య సదా భాసతి భాసతి. హృదయమనే ఆకాశంలో జ్ఞానమనే సూర్యుడు ఎల్లప్పుడూ ప్రకాశిస్తూ ఉండును. అదే లక్ష్యంతో పయనిస్తున్న గీతాంజలి.